to the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. None of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're the survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, diamonds in harmony. My hope and I realize this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the color stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I want your harmony. Feel this and I'm defined. This is what it sounds like.
Your voices cannot defeat.
Genu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.